how to use the Metro Bank app. Now the Metro Bank app is the mobile banking application that is used to make transactions right from the mobile for Metro Bank. Now depending upon the region that you're in, Metro Bank has different type of app for UK, for Philippines, and for other regions, different apps. Now in this case, I'm just using a generic Metro Bank application. Once you've done that, the first thing you have to do is you must make sure you have registered for mobile banking. If you have not yet registered for mobile banking, you can tap on the sign up option here to sign up for your mobile banking account on Metro Bank right here, and tapping the continue option and getting started with your account details. If you already have registered, you can enter your username and you can enter your password. If they're correct, you can tap on login. If you lost access to it, you can tap on recover access and regain access to your mobile banking details. After your login, there will be many things that you can do. You can choose to deposit or withdraw funds, make transactions online, which means to send money from one bank account to another or within Metro Bank themselves. You'll be able to filter all of your transactions. You'll also be able to go ahead and then customize a lot of other options like adding your debit card, credit card, removing them, a lot of things right from the mobile banking application. This way you'll be able to use the Metro Bank app. But first, you must, as I said, you must register for its mobile or online banking. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.